Hi everyone, welcome to Speed Job. No drama, no click, only jobs. So this is the most precious, this is the most lucrative, this is the most enchanting, this is the most awaited job. Odisha Police Government of Odisha. Okay. So but the thing is the post regarding the constable vacancy in the Odisha Industrial Security Force OISF. So the constable vacancy notification out. So the vacancy is the constable in OISF. Okay. So the website is odishapolice.gov.in. Okay. So I will show you and I will brief explain all the details so that you can know all the details. So never lose this opportunity because it's a very great job for you. And don't think like the after the corona the job will be not available. The government also trying to give you job. Okay. So try to support to the government and read very carefully so that you can get one job. Prepare for the very mentally and physically also, because in police job, so the physical standard should be very sound. Okay. Written also should need, and the physical standard also very should be fit as per the parameter. Okay. So this is the vacancy regarding the constable in OISF. Odisha Police. The website is odishapolice.gov.in. Okay. So this is the staff selection board, Odisha Police. Okay. Cuttack. Advertisement for the recruitment of a constable. Advertisement. Okay, advertisement for the recruitment of a constable in Odisha Industrial Security Force OISF. Okay. So this is the recruitment for the constable post. Okay. Application are invited for the eligible tending candidate for 3741 post. Huge vacancy. Okay. So never lose this opportunity. 3741. 3741 post constable in Odisha Industrial Security Force created by the government of Odisha and prescribed from the selection of constable in Odisha Industrial Security Force will be made by the State Selection Board Odisha Police Cuttack. Since the constable OISF is a state cadre, the application should be reached to the concerned superintendent of police of the district honor before. So your application should be reached before July 3 2020. Okay. You should remember the date 3/7/2020 means July 3 on or before your application should reach to the SSB, sorry, State Selection Board Odisha Police Cuttack. Okay. The last date of submission application the start of application June 15. Okay. And last date is 3 July 2020. Okay. Likely date of commencement of physical test will be 5th July. Okay. After the last date of submission, after the 2 days or the 1 day after the on the 5th July, the commencement of physical test. Like I already have said it's a constable job in YSF, so you have to go through for physical test. Category wise, for the you are 1511 post, for SC SCBC 614, for SC 655, for ST 961, for the total 3741. Okay. For the men 85%, for the women 15%. So all the details you can read. Okay. Besides the reservation of a home guard candidate, ex-serviceman, sports person shall be made in the accordance with the provision, and so the reservation will provide to the serviceman, the ex-serviceman, sports person, or the home guard. Okay. Physical measurement, physical efficiency test or written test will be conducted following district. Okay. The candidate should apply to the concerned superintendent of police from which district he belongs. Suppose you are belong to Cuttack, so you have to send the application to the Cuttack superintendent. Okay. Suppose you are from Jajpur, so you have to send to Jajpur. Suppose you are from Sambalpur, you have to send to Sambalpur. Okay. Already it's mentioned the candidate should apply to the concerned superintendent of police from which the district he or she belongs. Okay. Then examination venue for the holding physical measurement, physical efficiency test from Cuttack, irrigation ground Naraj Cuttack, Jagatsinghpur Navakrishna Chaudhary, Jajpur Reserve Police Line Guard Panikuli Jajpur, Noyagarh. So all the details it's mentioned. So where you have to go for the physical measurement test or efficiency test, okay, on 7th July. The candidate are required to remain present by 7 am on the 5th July at the specified examination center of the relevant district for the physical examination, measurement and for appearance in physical efficiency test. The aforesaid examination by the continue for a long period, hence the candidate required to come prepared stay for a few days, okay. So you have to come to particular that means to particular that district of superintendent on 5th July 2020. On that date there will be physical means the examination will be going on. After that your physical measurement, the means your the medical checkup or like the physical standard will be checkup, okay, on the 7th July. So you have to, it's a concern, you have to come to before 7 means like the on the 5th July, okay. So you have to simultaneously give the written exam and also the physical measurement test. Term and condition service, the initial appointment for the post of constable and the term of condition, okay, service shall be governed by the GA department. Notification examination fee 150 rupees, and candidate other than belong to SC/ST are required to 150. For the SC/ST candidates it's exempted, okay, and along other for the other candidate 150, okay. So whenever you will pay it, you have to pay it on the favor of, suppose for you are belong to Cuttack, so you have to pay on the superintendent of police Cuttack, payable at Cuttack, okay. Suppose you are from Jajpur, so you have to payable in the favor of superintendent of police Jajpur, payable at Jajpur, okay. With a bank draft postal order, the application should not be entertained. SC/ST candidate are exempted, okay. Registration of the name of employment exchange. A candidate should register his or name in one of the employment exchange of the state. So you have to register on the state exchange for the job purposes, okay, before the publication of advertisement for the recruitment of a constable in OISF. The candidate should not register his or name in more than one employment exchange. So you have to register one employment exchange in the state. Every state has an means the job exchange, means the what I can say, in the exchange, employment exchange offices, okay, every state has, in every district also have. So you have to register your name as you are looking for the job purposes. So they will give the one registration number. Age limit is, age of the candidate should not be less than 18 years and more than 23 years as of 1/1/2021, okay. So your age not be more than 23, okay. You should be less than 23 and not less than 18, okay. Qualification should be candidate to be passed the high school certificate examination or the equivalent examination conducted by board secondary, means the high school certificate 10th, and a candidate should be able to speak, read, write Odia, most of the past Odia is one of the subject, okay. Other qualification, candidate who have the good character. If married, the candidate must not have more than one spouse of living. You have one wife, okay. A candidate must have sound health and must be free from organic defect. Physical measurement for on reserve 168 centimeters should be there. Weight should be 55. For unexpanded 79 chest, 84 would be for the expandable, and height 158 for the female, and weight 47.5 kg, okay. And for the SC/ST, also already mentioned, the sports persons prescribed in the Open National Champion and International Competition Sports event, same should be sponsored either by recognized National Sports Federation, Olympics, okay. Sports person as a person who would be issued by the identified physical by the 3 centimeter, they will given certain relaxation, okay. The candidate having physical disability or deformity are not eligible participating in the aforesaid recruitment of a constable. So you have to physical sound, okay, along with written exam. Physical measurement, physical efficiency test will be conducted for selection of a candidate. For that purpose, the candidate are required to come prepared to stay for a few days, means on the 5th July, okay. You have to, before you have to reach on 7 am. Okay, on the 5th July. Technology may be utilized during physical efficiency before or after the physical measurement. The unity level selection board shall form a committee to examine the physical deformity of the candidate, and for the purpose, the decision of the committee will be final. Okay, physical measurement height should be 3 bonus mark. The male candidate whose height 178 centimeter or above, and those women whose height is 165 above category shall be awarded 3 mark. Okay, and the physical efficiency test 40 mark, total 40 mark. Okay, the male candidate run 1.6 kilometer covered. Okay, if you cover 5 minutes, then you will get 10 mark. After the 5:30 minute, 8 mark. 6 minute you will cover 6 mark. 6:30 minute you will cover 4 mark. If beyond the 6:30, disqualified. Okay, then high jump is there. First chance 3 mark, second chance 2 mark, third chance 1 mark. If you are not clear in 3 chances, disqualified. Okay, then broad jump are there. You can read it directly through my video. Then rope climbing 3 attempts only. The 6-meter rope you have to climb it. Okay, then swimming 40 meters qualifying. Beyond the 8 minutes, within 8 minutes you have to qualify the swimming 40 meters qualified. Beyond the 8 minutes it is qualified. Okay, then cross country 5 kilometers allotted 10 mark. Okay, all details you can read. Cycling 1.6, swimming 40 meter. For the male, female it's mentioned. Driving test allotted 5 mark. The test shall be conducted for candidates who claim in their applicant they have proficiency in driving, possess either light or heavy vehicle. Suppose you have the driving license, so you have to show it. Okay, allotted 5 mark will be extra will be given. For the light vehicle driving or past light driving awarded 3 mark. Educational achievement allotted 7 mark. Minimum educational qualification must pass high school certificate. यदि आपके पास मैट्रिक होगा तो फ्रॉम 61% एबव 7 मार्क यू विल गेट. फ्रॉम 51 to 60 4 mark. From 41 to 50 2 mark. Okay, written test allotted 25. These exams will be standard of high school level examination conducted by a board. Written test will be consist of multiple choice like English language, arithmetic, general knowledge, aptitude, logical reasoning will be going on. Okay, if you qualify, then you have to go through physical, then swimming test, other वगैरह जो मतलब climbing test, then roping test, all others there, so you have to qualify it. In sports achievement 15 marks. Suppose athlete, handball, hockey, in this case suppose you have the means achievement, so you will get allotted 15 marks extra. For gold medal 10 mark, for silver medal 7 mark, for bronze medal 5 mark. Okay, National Cadet Corps A certificate in NCC 1 mark, National Cadet B 3 mark, for National Cadet Corps C certificate NCC C 5 mark. Medical examination candidate must not have knock knee, bow legs, flat foot, varicose veins, squints in eyes, poor vision, color blindness, then inability to flex the fingers properly and any other obvious deformity. So he should have no impeded speech and hearing is applicable for the medical test. Okay, so you have to qualify in the medical test to appear physical efficiency. So first you have to qualify the medical test, then physical efficiency test will be carry on. The candidate will submit the photocopy of the following certificate. Self-attested photocopy, sports certificate, your NCC certificate. Okay, how to apply? Irrespective of the category, the candidate intend to apply for the post of Constable Odisha Industrial Security Post shall pay 35 on in shape of bank draft, postal order towards the cost of application form in the concerned district. Okay, you have to means give in a shape of bank draft and postal order. Okay, along with the 35 extra. In the website is www.odishapolice.gov.in. Okay, or again another website is www.odisha.gov.in. You have to pay 35 in shape of bank draft and postal order with the application form. The bank draft postal order in the favor of a concerned superintendent of police of the district. Okay, where to deposit? For the Cuttack, Superintendent of Police Cuttack at Post Dist Cuttack. For Jagatsinghpur, Superintendent of Police Jagatsinghpur at Post Dist Jagatsinghpur. Okay. Warning: false document or the giving receiving. Suppose you are any taking the bribe or the documents, so you will be rejected and the legal action will be taken. Okay. So this is the notification regarding, already I have discussed all things. Okay, this is the staff selection board Odisha Police Cuttack. Okay, advertising for the recruitment of constable in Odisha Industrial Security Force as it is Odisha cadre. Okay, so starts from 15 June. Okay, last date is already 7th July. So you have to reach on the 5th July. Okay, and you should not wait for that moment. Like the start will be 15 June, means you have to apply on or before 15. Okay, so the huge vacancy 3741, so you should not lose the opportunity. Try it. If it's not possible, then don't worry, again for other jobs will be coming. Okay, I will update also. So huge vacancy are there in Odisha after the corona. This will be a great opportunity. Try for it. If you will fit, then ultimately good. It's a very good job, government job. Okay, so I hope you will benefit from this video. Means if you don't get any PDF, so you can read it directly. Okay, so that's why I'm taking it very slowly. Okay, so I hope you will subscribe, like, comment, share if you're newly to this my video, and please press the bell icon so that you will never miss any job information. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Utkal Janani.